Hello everyone, welcome to my channel BioCap. In this, we are going to revise few concepts of IGCSE and AS and A-level biology. Today, I have taken a topic of immune system and we are going to discuss what are the few questions that are asked in past papers from this topic. So first, let's quickly have a glance of the questions from the past papers. The very first, complete the description of the immune system using the words from the list. Here they have already given the words and we need to fill in the blanks. The question is of 4 marks. Then coming on to second question, which is from the same topic, immune system. Here the question is about graph. So they have given the graph question where we need to interpret the data which is given here. And this question, it says human immunodeficiency virus infects and destroys lymphocytes. The number of lymphocytes in the blood of a person infected with HIV was measured over a period of 84 months. So the results are shown in the graph. And what are they asking is calculate the percentage change in the number of lymphocytes from month 10 to 60. And this is one of the important questions of IGCSE where they asked to calculate the percentage change. Then next we have the human immunodeficiency virus infects and destroys lymphocytes, and the same graph, but here the question is different now. Here they have asked outline the consequences of the changes in the number of lymphocytes for the health of the person infected with HIV. Like what are the consequences? Here we need to mention that, and the question is of 4 marks. Next is antibodies are proteins that are produced by lymphocytes. Antitoxins are antibodies which neutralize the toxins released by some bacteria. The transmissible disease diphtheria is caused by a bacterium that releases a toxin that can cause serious damage to the body. A person is suspected of having caught diphtheria at a clinic. Person is given an injection of antitoxin antibodies that provide protection against the diphtheria toxin. She is also given an injection of the vaccine for diphtheria because we know vaccines take time to work whereas antitoxin will work immediately. So that's why the right, and here the graph is also given. So here they say antibody, injection of antibody, antitoxin antibody, and then the concentration of antibodies in the blood, it shows it is decreasing, whereas with antibodies response to vaccination it is increasing, right? Explain how 2 injections of the vaccine result in better protection against diphtheria than the injection of antitoxin antibodies, because the antibodies are going to, here when the injection is given by antitoxin they are asking what is the difference between the two when vaccine is given and antitoxin is given. And then next question, conjunctivitis can be caused by pathogens and affects the tissues lining the eyelids and covering the sclera. People with conjunctivitis that is caused by a pathogen can develop active immunity. Explain why the shape of specific parts of a pathogen is important in the development of active immunity. So here we need to discuss about antigen and what are this, why the shape is specific, because that shape it ultimately it activates those lymphocytes where their shape is recognized and then antibodies will be formed. So we need to explain in this answer, right? So next, the human body has several defenses against pathogen. These can be mechanical barriers, chemical barriers, responses by cells, and the boxes on the left are example of body defenses. So here we need to match this antibody production, whether it is chemical, mechanical, or response by cell. Here's in the nose, phagocytosis or stomach acid. So this is of 4 marks. Stay tuned for the solutions in the next video. Till then, signing off from BioCap.